turn this 180 degree. And here it is. We have the first flame, and this flame is a little bit fatty, so I want it longer. Okay, now I will go to the feature tab. I click on that, and I click on flexible path, and I make this very soft, like 3, and make the no gravity, and make the wind, big wind. So now it should have, it's not really doing anything here, but let me check with this one. So okay, I will change other numbers into like that. When you click somewhere else, sometimes the different places you put this object, it will influence how the softness or the flexible part, because as depends on the wind in Second Life. And now I also want the candle really light on. Like now, if we can see in here, this candle set is just totally dark. It's not bright at all. Only this set is bright. So I will just click on the light, and you can see it's lighting now. And I can change the light color. Let me move this. I can change the light color into red light, or the yellow light, or any kind of light I want, or the blue light. It depends on what kind of environment, atmosphere you want to have. So okay, I will just want this one. And now I will go back to the daytime. I made one is the thing is all set, so what I need to do is just click shift and then copy this. There is another very important thing is when you click on edit linked part, you cannot copy that when you click on shift. So now I unclick the edit link part, and then I click on shift and I drag. Yeah, the second flame is done. Then I will just position that at the right place. Because Second Life is a 3-dimensional place, so after you put something on something, just double check with the position, because sometimes you see from one angle is doing the right thing, but not from the other one. So just double check with them. Okay, now I got it. And the third one, I think I should make the third one a little bit smaller, because it's just the tinier candle. So tiny now. And another thing is when you first make the object become very, very tiny, like this thickness is very thin, then when you try to do the whole thing all together become smaller, it will not be able to do that. So sometimes you will need to make that a little bit bigger and then make that small. So it's just a way to do that, or just you can change those numbers to change that. Okay, so here we are. We got those candles, and then we can put on textures on here. If I remember what texture is for this, I don't think it's this. No, it's not. But anyway, it's just, you can put different shape, different texture on the thing. So yeah. or I can just click on here and then use this one to select the texture. Select. Oops. Now you can see the texture is not looking the same like that one. So what happened? We can just try to play with the repeat per phase. Maybe I can try to do 5, or maybe the rotation is wrong, so I change that into 0. As you can see now, now it's pretty much look like. So and I will change this into 5 too. So yay. Here it is the candle, and then I can also change, and you can select multiple objects and then change the texture all at one time. It's easier for building. Here select. So this is how we do candle set in Second Life.